Then on the 18th of February, we have the 9, the 2, the 8, the 10, and the path is a 3. So today, joy is the key. Remember that. And it's a day where you already know how it's going to be for you. So if anything is feeling off, take some time and realign yourself and see the beauty, see creativity in it. Care for yourself, nurture yourself and others. It is a day to really listen to that nourishment. Yeah, it's a great day. It's really so many opportunities come. Don't jump on all of them, but listen and feel and trust your gut feeling. And remember to take it easy and to find joy in anything that you're doing.